Look at this. I built this fully animated scroll-driven website for a luxury chocolate milkshake brand. Not a basic food website, not a Shopify template. If I scroll down, the cup slowly moves, chocolate splashes freeze midair, and ingredients separates. And then everything flows back together into final hero shot. It feels rich, it feels smooth, and it feels expensive. And the best part is the entire animation is controlled by scroll. Now let's build it from scratch. And the first step is we generate our anchor frames. So let's jump into the Google Whisk and just enter into the tool. So I will just upload my subject image here, and now I will just upload it. And since it's analyzing the image, I will just paste my prompt here, which is quite a simple prompt, and then just hit enter and it will generate few frames. So I will just paste my prompt for the last frame, and this one looks good. We have a complete chocolate waveform around the cup. So we have our first frame and then we have our last frame. Now these two images define our entire animation journey. Once we are happy with them, we move to motion. So now we take both frames into the flow, and now just search for Google Flow. So just open up the flow, and now I will paste my prompt here to generate frames into the video. And so we have a few main components like visuals, lighting and camera and style, and now we have to change it from frames to video. So I will just change it from frames to video, and now I will upload my first frame, and then we have to upload our last frame. And now I will upload the last frame here. And now we have few different models like Veo 3.1 quality and Veo 3.1 fast. So I will just go with Veo 3.1 fast. Obviously it costs way more less credit than 3.1 quality, and then hit generate. And now in few seconds we have our animation. So let's start this one, and this one looks good. Yes, this one looks good. And now let's move on to the other one, and yes, this one looks quite good. So we have a smooth animation here, like the chocolate, the cups filled with chocolate, and then we have the full waveform, and you can just download it as original size or even upscaled version. And now we have to convert that MP4 into JPG. So instead of time controlling the animation, scrolls control it. So we extract the frames, and then we move over to main part, which is anti-gravity. So I will just open up my folder here in AntiGravity, which I named as frames. So just I will just select my folder here. So now here we have all the different frames. Since it's loading the agent, we have our first frame, and then we have all the different frames. And now I will just paste my prompt here in AntiGravity. So I will just paste it. Like it's quite a long prompt, and you can definitely go through into the docs. I will leave the link in the description. We can select different AI models. I will go with Gemini 3 Pro and just hit enter. And now AntiGravity will make the task list and implementation plan first. And here we have the task list. Like we have project setup, and like we have different details, and then we have the implementation plan like goals, proposed changes, and a few more things. And then AntiGravity build the complete website for us. And here we have to accept few things, and then AntiGravity build us the complete website for us. So after a bit of back and forth, we have the localhost link for our website. So I will just open it up, and here as you scroll, chocolate splashes, expand, ingredients reveal, everything resembles. Everything animated on scroll, nothing generic. Every section expand as you scroll and folds back naturally. And once everything is wired up, then we have few sections below the fold. We have ingredients and storytelling section, texture and richness, and then we have the CTA, and then we have the footer. So this is the cinematic chocolate milkshake website that feels premium, like a global brand launch. Now I just don't like this velvet noir text in the center, so I will just give anti-gravity a prompt to keep it on the left side. So the animation feels more premium. Now I just gave anti-gravity a prompt, and now here it pushed text to the from center to the left side. So now here if we scroll down, now this animation looks more clean. And now we can push it live, upload to GitHub, or connect to Netlify, or deploy it and within seconds. And I will just give anti-gravity a prompt to make a folder to upload it on the anti-gravity, and here we copy that path, And here we have the folder named as web setup, and I will just drag it to Netlify, and in few seconds the web is deployed. And here we have the link named as effervescent, something like that, and here we have our website. Now if I scroll down, and within seconds the entire website is live on internet. And that's the full workflow, from AI generated frames to cinematic motion to a fully deployed luxury beverages website. And if you want more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.